Nathan, say it again.
I really fucked it up this time.
And it was just damn bolts. And we can't get to work because they just sit here and flash.
Shit, I can't have
They just sit here and flash. What'd you say?
Yeah, I'll button it up.
You're saying the exploder won't explode?
It won't explode.
I don't know why we can't get that thing to explode.
It's weird. It's something about it grounded the chassis works as a normal ground.
Gain access to one of these 3 wires, whichever one is low beam, where we can get that clamp around it. So you may have to pull some of that tape away a little bit.
Yeah, these are supposed to just be
Most
plug and
likely that
play.
shell one's ground, the one's low.
You got that
one's high.
Amazon stuff though.
So pull some of that tape back where we got a little bit more room to
You
work.
can tell where the way that
Yeah,
this thing
because that looks like it came straight out of like Harbor Freight.
Yeah.
You got a pocket mount on it?
Yeah.
Shit works though.
Here's my new mini one. Fun fact, someone gave me that for my birthday and I just now opened it.
What's the knife at?
Jesus Christ.
That's the
That-
saw.
that's the saw.
That's
Can't figure out your car, can't figure out a knife. Would you like my box cutter one? To cut around stuff better? Or what are you trying to cut?
I'm trying to
Hold your
cut this
damn light.
tape back.
Oh. I hope you don't mind, but I'm recording this. I need a video.
Here's what we're gonna do this. The light start, he's got these brand new LEDs and they're heating up.
Yeah.
They're starting to shut off. And I'm wondering, they shouldn't be pulling out of the turret.
Yeah, they're LEDs.
Shouldn't be. We're gonna check it in.
But it's cheap Amazon.
They're not
Chinese
that cheap,
product.
bro. Just because you can go buy $200 headlights every day, don't mean I can.
Does it look like I can afford that?
They're not that cheap. They're mid-grade.
Well, the whole box is over here, and the only instructions on it are, oh, that's the Spanish side. It's this side. That's just kind of everything we have on it. But yeah, I think hooking it up to the ground side might work. Instead of actually cutting the light bulb. Because he might have to return these.
Works by increasing the electrical load of the LED bulb and thus the outage detection system does not trigger the warning.
You said you wanted low beams?
Yeah.
No.
But we might do ground. So it does both wires.
Hey, I gotta tip this one.
Oh.
That'd be the only thing I can think of. That's the first I've heard of that. We might have to do a little Googlage on that real quick, see if you can find something.
Alright. Google and YouTube. What else?
See now, now both sides are.
Yeah, now both sides are good.
Well, see, it doesn't do it when the car is running with the AC going.
Not wrong per se. It's my phone.
That's the primary use. When the car's on.
All right, take it up.
Oh god. Yeah, I've learned that the hard way. There it goes. Flashing.
Dips over there too.
How much is it pulling?
This one's blinking more too. You can see it flickering. And not all the LEDs in there are lit up too. There's one not lit up.
Would that be low or high beam?
I'm guessing they would all be on if it was. Yeah, high beam. The same brightness.
So they don't change.
Shouldn't both be on if it was a high beam. Oh yeah. Little fans.
I know, that's kind of cool.
Yeah.
Little fans. At least it's a cool pattern. So we're gonna put the stock one. What?
It's fucked up, but it's cool.
Oh yeah. I mean, I guess, yeah. How is it my fault?
Because I can't blame myself.
Okay. Freaking, you're the one that bought the lights off of Amazon.
Shut up. Just because you have a hate to the Amazon, you capitalist. Oh.
Where'd that go to? Off, but these aren't flickering. Weird. And it's also higher. Jeez, had to stop putting headlights in just so you guys can.
I didn't see it.
You didn't know? Did you not know they put car batteries in the back?
No, I didn't know they did it for this shit. Because there's a whole fucking section up here they could put it in.
Well, dude, you're in electrical class. Someone probably threw it back there.
Look at that.
Yeah, that is a pretty big hole.
Where the wires go, it goes behind the
Uh-oh.
headlight. So you'd have to take the headlight out and see where it goes
Well,
to.
let's go ahead and look at another pattern again.
Huh?
I want to go ahead and get another pattern so when it finally does shut off, I want to see if it just stays shut off here.
All right. Scientific method. Just start turning stuff off until. Well, at least you had a cool effect.
They're both shutting off at the same time now.
They still shutting off.
Just
Okay.
right.
And the radio didn't do
They're
nothing.
not at the same time. They're kind of all over the place.
That can't be the bulbs.
Yeah, it can't be them. So I can't make fun of them anymore. Basically,
Two different sockets.
no. So basically, it all comes in right here into one, and then it. Yes, I'm recording. Hello.
How long is the video?
I don't know. I record usually about a minute long, minute 30 each time, and now I
Can you turn it
gotta
on?
cut out.
What, the call?
Yeah, because I got it around 1 ground. Or just the headlights.
I gotta cut out certain parts, but this is gonna be a weird video. Ah, damn.
Okay, so yeah, this one is right there. Yeah.
So
If you
you,
turn the car on, I want to see if it pulses.
what? So that's the
Should
what
be the
color?
ground
It was the
forward.
green and black.
Yeah.
All right, green and black.
Okay, yeah.
Yeah, it pulses.
Cool. Yep.
You dumbass.
I was like, what the hell is that noise?
Or I was about to start running.
Damn, shit, beads though.
Oh, she wet.
Beads up.
Oh, you know what I mean?
All right.
You
yeah,
know what
that's-
those look like? It looks like the old Orbeez.
Yeah.
Hey, man. You know I got that.
Or was that before you, or after your time?
I remember Orbeez.
Okay.
He's a year older than me.
And I'm 2 years younger than
A
y'all.
lot happened in that year.
So that's spliced. And then I'm. What?
Oh yeah.
Well,
that
I'm-
works too.
Yeah, wire strippers tend to help a little bit. We could just hold it to it first if you want to do
You want to
that.
stick your fingers in now?
I'm just gonna
Not
twist
really.
Them. I'm just gonna twist them together.
Twist them.
All right. Because
For-
I didn't want to.
Does
I
it
mean,
matter?
I don't
No,
know.
it
It doesn't
shouldn't
say.
Maybe.
If not, we'll just cut it back out and switch it around.
I'll try that.
That's
All
a
right.
big hand.
I guess try.
All right. All connected. It's actually spiking up now.
Yeah. What the fuck? Wait,
So, okay, so it's now down to negative. It's now down to -1.
Okay. Yeah, I had it upside down.
Okay.
It's spiking less, or it's dipping less.
Yeah, so it's resisting, but it's
It's still cut out.
still cut out. Fuck.
Well, shit.
So it's doing it, just not as bad.
No, it's still spiking. Yeah, it's still cut out.
Damn. And before you say anything about me being too confident, I thought it would work.
Yeah, it's too confident.
And also, I'm getting my money back for these. Now it's just completely off. Yeah, this one over here is just done.
Did the ground come off?
No, nothing's. Did it? Oh.
Alright, well.
So it did come on. Damn.
Well, if you watch it just goes.
What the fuck?
So, okay, so what are y'all supposed to be doing?
Trying to fucking figure out what's wrong with the start. It won't start.
Have you tried putting in the clutch?
Yes.
Okay.
I don't know how to drive a fucking manual, but I at least know that.
I don't know what the heck to tell
It
y'all.
might be fucked because of the gaping relay hole.
Might be, you never know. Honestly, in my opinion, I think they got the wrong relay over there. That look, that's a man that's seen something.
That's a man that's about to throw this fucking car into her leg. All I wanted was headlights. That's it.
You had headlights. That's the thing.
Baby bitch headlights. I wanted that bright shit. I wanted the power of God. But no.
I wanted to blind everyone.
But simply just. Caliber said no.
Calvary said, power? What's that?
See if it's an Audi.
You know, he was making fun of his Alzheimer's earlier. Your car literally has Alzheimer's.
Every time.
Because it's literally like, oh, power. Oh, I forgot what power is. Power. Oh,
Every time
crap.
it, like, sends power, it's like, write that down, write that down.
Write that down, write that down.
And now it's just like, oh,
That's not what I think it is.
but it is. Oh, but it is. Don't mind at all. Oh, but it is. See? All my
Oh,
shit.
we're not putting enough volts in your hand.
Did you
I
listen
wonder
to him?
why.
He said it has nothing to do with it.
Dude, yeah, this can have something to do with it.
It's not the problem.
I promise you, you can have an issue with
Yeah,
this.
you can have an issue. I know you can, but it's not this problem.
It might be.
I'm not taking this shit out.
Okay, I know
I'm gonna
you
fix the
won't.
problem. I'm gonna make it work without taking this out. Do you know how much this shit costs? I have like $1,500 in all of this shit.
Oh, wow, what a flex.
Yeah, I know. Flex on you, bro. All my dual speakers are Kiko's Kenwood stereo, Kiko
Oh, wow.
sub, and a Kiko amp. And when this one blows, if it ever does, I don't. To be honest with you, I bought this shit, and I don't listen to a whole bunch of like rap songs and stuff. So, like when you first buy it, you have to listen to every heavy rap.
Yeah,
You know,
and
heavy bass.
and when we went out the other day for food,
Yeah,
you
just-
had Buster playing what, twice, 3 times?
Yeah, I couldn't decide what the fuck to play in my own car. But anyway, and then.
Oh yeah, by the way, up front, we have no clue what's wrong. So he's got some more resistors that are actually built for this kit coming in.
But see how it's all perfectly ran? Like, I mean, yeah, you can see it when you open the door and then. Down
Yeah,
here,
I mean,
but-
you got it pretty well hidden.
Yeah, but it's all up under the running boards and shit like that. You
Yeah,
don't
that
really
ain't
know how to
bad.
see it unless I showed you. And then we're gonna like guitar and shit.
Yeah,
I
I wish I
swear.
could play. I have a guitar
I
at the
can't
house.
play.
Huh,
I,
you
just-
can-
I bought one and like took lessons, but then life happened. And I
Yeah, that's what happened to me. I was promised lessons, like my grandma promised lessons, but it never
I
happened.
paid for lessons. I guitar here. I still like going to guitar center, man.
Oh yeah, that's like a freaking. It's just like a toy shop. All right, so
This is
they ain't
your
gonna
fault.
work until you get the rest of the kit in.
I'll let you know if they work Sunday.
Oh, you're gonna do this without us?
Well,
Wow.
they come in Sunday. I mean, I don't think I just plug them up.
True. Not
Fuck
that.
What? That's a butt connector. That's how it works.
I know that's how it works.
Just to think I threw these bulbs in here this morning. These original bulbs back in it this morning.
Police officer pulls you over.
I mean, no.
I mean, do yours automatically come on when it's raining? Oh.
I have to tell them to forget to turn them on. And I don't turn them all the way on. I just turn my
Oh, okay.
parking lights on. Turn them on.
Turn 'em on.
It's that stock closest to the door.
How
you
was
go.
that?
Yeah, they will. We're good.
Yeah, we're good. That'll last you through the week. And if not, I bet $100 that it's something else you have wired up as drawing too much voltage. I will bet money on it.
You could bet money on it. You'd lose your money though. Because even he's like, man, I ain't that. Can you hand me that intake?
Also, you might just want to leave that open.
Yeah, and just let it suck all the hot air in.
Oh yeah, why not?